So everything, both door panels back, the whole rear is done and nice. This door panel's done. Yeah. Door panels back and e-brake back. Done. Beautiful, Scotty. Progressing.
It's getting there.
It's starting to look more like a car.
Because I think what I may do next, depending, I gotta find the holes for the seat, start getting the seats in, because I don't really need to do anything
Back under there.
under the carpets anymore. Everything is all right there.
Yeah.
So we can put the seats back in, I can get those cleaned off, scrubbed up, and hopefully get them to polish up
As good as that.
like the
stuff
doors and the back piece.
Yeah, I mean, that
B-pillar
fits,
stuff.
that fits pretty good. I mean, that one's
It's not perfect. It's damaged.
yeah, but it's better
A
than
million times better than what it was.
yeah, it is better than what it was to begin with, for sure.
But we'll keep everybody updated. It's a process. We're getting there. It's been leaps and bounds today to actually get as much done as we got done. So I'm
There's
very
a
happy
lot
with it.
done. I mean, we get to monkey with that a little bit tomorrow and Thursday.
Yep.
Alrighty. Good job.